Brainbox Club, action.
Our brains are brilliant.
Our brains are brilliant.
Our brains are brilliant.
Our brains do things like controlling our emotions and our imagination.
Our brains where we store all of our skills and memories.
The brain is good for us because it remembers thinking, moving.
Our brains are where we store all of our skills and our memories.
Using your brain is very important because if you don't use it, you lose it. There are 5 ways you can make your brain healthier. This video is about staying connected with people.
Staying connected to people helps our brain.
Staying socially connected helps our mood, helps us feel less lonely and reduces stress.
There are loads of different ways that we can spend time with people. You might go and spend time with your friends or your family, but also when you're out and about, you might be bumping into the doctor, you might be bumping into the person in the shop. They're all lots of different opportunities to spend time with other people.
It makes me feel happy when I see my friends. Sometimes I meet in the Toby or go into town, or sometimes when I go and watch a rugby match, I see my friends.
Well, keeping with your friends is very important because social interaction helps you emotionally and mentally with you connecting with your friends and make you feel very happy. Because if you don't see your things, like when we were in lockdown, we didn't see anyone. It made us absolutely miserable because we like people.
There's lots of different ways we can spend time with people.
You need to make a health plan because it's good for your brain.
You could set a goal for your brain health plan.
You can scan the QR code to download your own brain health plan to fill in with your ideas about how you can look after your brain.